Hello, this is a demonstration of Siri on your non-4S iDevices and your non-iPad 3 devices. This is an instructional video to show you how you can get Siri on iPads 1 and 2, all the iPhones, and all the iPod touches. And you won't need to be jailbroken for this. But let's take a look at how Siri works on the iPad 2. A glimpse at how it works. Play Bryan Adams.
Okay, starting your song now.
And it plays Bryan Adams from my iPod or my music library. Find the nearest school.
I found 4 school results. 3 of them are fairly close to you.
Find the nearest church.
I found 9 church results. 5 of them are fairly close to you.
Find the nearest river.
I found 10 river results. 4 of them are fairly close to you.
We can also do other commands like launch Cydia. It can be a bit laggy sometimes. Well, let's just get something else. Open Facebook. Can be laggy when it comes to this, but it should open up Facebook. There it goes. What is 10 times 10?
This might answer your question.
What is 5 divided by 5?
This might answer your question.
You can also do things like this. Reboot your device.
If a cow laughs.
Reboot.
Rebooting it will.
And it'll reboot your device. So those are just some of the many things you can do with Siri, and you can also use Siri to toggle settings on and off. Like for example, you could ask Siri, disable Wi-Fi, enable Wi-Fi, disable location services, enable location services. My iPad will reboot. Turn my passcode. Okay, wait 1 second. I'm gonna have to use SB settings to do something to my iPad. Something happens to my iPad because I've got Assistance Connect, where if I reboot it, it boots up like that. It boots up like almost like the iPhone, and the apps are spaced out like the iPhone apps are. Okay, here we go. We can also say things like this. What is the weather like in New York?
I found the following forecast for New York, NY, United States.
And it gives you a thing with a forecast of the day you're on through through Monday. That's pretty good. Or you can say something like disable Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi has been turned off. I'm really sorry about that.
Now that I did that, I wasn't thinking. Now I have to enable Wi-Fi. Or you can say something like, or you can also do this. Text my sister.
What do you want to include in the message?
How are you?
Thanks. Do you want to send it now?
Yes.
Okay, I'll send your message.
Or you can use it to create reminders. Remind me to call my brother tomorrow at 2 p.m.
I updated your reminder. Ready to create it?
Cancel.
Okay, I won't remind you.
Those are just some of the many things you can do with Siri if you can get it on your iPad too. Alright, now let's get to the good stuff. Alright, so to get Siri on your non-4S or iPad 3 devices, you are going to need, your device will need to be jailbroken. It will need to be jailbroken, and you will need to have Cydia. There is Cydia right there. So once you're jailbroken, let's go ahead and get started. So go into Cydia. Wait for it to load. Go down to the bottom. Tap on Sources. Tap Edit, Add, and then you're going to input. Then you're going to input the source bassemkassem.myrepospace.com/ and here's the source right here. bassemkassem.myrepospace.com/ and all the sources will be in the description. And the next source you're going to need to add is, you're going to need to add the WordJelly Incorporated. You're going to need to add wordjelly.com/repo/, and that will be in the description as well. So once you've added those sources, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you need to do is go into Bassem Kassem, My Repo Space source, scroll down till you see Acid Siri. If you are using an iPad, you'll want Acid iPad. If you're on any other device, you'll want Acid Siri. So once you've chosen the appropriate one, go ahead and tap it. Tap up there. It should say install. So what you'll do, is you'll tap that, tap install, and then you'll tap confirm. But I've already got it, so I'm not going to get it. And then once you get that, your device should ask you to reboot, and a reboot is required. And then you will go into the WordJelly Incorporated, get the control panel, tap install, confirm, and once you've got the control panel, you'll want to go out of there, and you'll want to go into your settings, and you're going to want to go into general, and you're going to want to make sure that Siri is enabled. Once you've made sure Siri is enabled, go ahead and scroll down to where you see WordJelly, and you're going to want to hit install the certificate. And I've already got it, so I'm not going to reinstall it, but it would say untrusted and you need to install it. Then you're going to want to go back in WordJelly, and you're going to want to see these things to get your Wolfram key, so you can use Wolfram Alpha. If you don't have one, you'll click Don't Have, and to get your weather key, Don't Have one, and that's how you'll get that's how you'll get a weather key or a Wolfram Alpha key. Next, to make Siri fully functional, we're going to need to get assistance extensions. So you're going to need to go back into Cydia, wait for it to load, tap on search, and in the search box type in ASSST, IST, and you want to look for assistant extensions. And you'll hit up there, you'll hit install, tap confirm, and install it. Once you've done that and you have your Wolfram Alpha keys, Siri is ready to use like I demonstrated before. Hi Siri.
Greetings, Christian.
So, as you can see, I have Siri fully functional on my iPad 2. And you can have it fully functional on your iDevices that aren't iPad 3rd generation or non-iPhone 4S's or iPod Touches. As long as you follow this quick and easy tutorial. Well, that'll be all. And if this works out for you, make sure to like, fave, put a comment down below, share to somebody else, do all that good stuff. This is Christian Miller, signing off of YouTube for now. Bye.